Judith. And today we are gonna bake a chocolate cake. First, let's tell you the ingredients.
One by one.
One by one.
So here is cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda.
Here is some powdered sugar, some flour, and some yogurt.
Here I have already shaved the cake flour, and now I'm going to mix the cocoa powder. Okay, done. I am going to mix baking soda with baking powder with the dry mix.
Guys, now we are going to be adding the sugar in the mixture. There we go. Yep, we put all the sugar in the mixture. Now we are going to be pouring the egg in the mixture. There we go. Now we are going to be mixing the dry mix with the liquid mix. Now I want to add some chocolate essence.
Now I'm going to add chocolate chips to the cake to add more chocolatey texture. That should be it.
So as you can see, my mother already greased the pan to pour the batter. Now as you can see, I am pouring the chocolate mix into the pan.
I'm adding some more chocolate chip to the cake for a little more decoration. So you see, we already put the cake in the oven.
One eternity later.
So guys, as you can see, we just took the cake out of the oven and now we are going to keep it here for some time to cool down.
One eternity later.
So here the cake has cooled down and now we are going to cut it.
Guys, this is our first baked cake.